What I ate on my 24-hour travel day starting in Italy going to DC. Woke up at 5:30, had a pistachio protein drink. Oh, it was really sweet, did not taste like pistachio, not a great last sip to Italy. We didn't get any snacks on the first flight, just water, but I try to drink as much water as I can because I always struggle with that while traveling. In Zurich, picked up a Pret sandwich, tuna cucumber, so good, one of my favorites. The second flight was 9 hours, Zurich to the United States, Chicago. I had water, rosemary sticks, those were a miss. I actually really like airplane food. I got chicken, noodles, the dessert was good, couscous was good. I think there's something scientific about that, like airplane food tastes better when you're up in the air. I always forget, Swiss Airline gives out ice cream. The vanilla was so refreshing. Sometimes they give out chocolate, but I was feeling the vanilla. And then for quote-unquote breakfast, we got a spinach quiche. I ate it with the ice cream scooper, just the middle. It was kind of hurting my stomach, really rich. My third flight was a domestic flight in the US, which means I had to collect my bag and then recheck it, and I missed my flight because I waited over an hour for my bag. But thankfully, I got rebooked. I got the last flight out, the last seat out. The hour-and-a-half flight arrived in DC at 10:30, so I was not hungry, just tired.